this this is a typical question anybody asks. If God is all perfect, why has He created this imperfect world where there is so much suffering, there is so much misuse of people's property or anything, so much exploitation. How could God allow this? How can He be all merciful Lord if He could allow all this? But the thing is, the philosophy in Krishna consciousness, it's so clear that Lord is impartial. Krishna as Supreme Personality of Godhead as well as a Super Soul is very impartial. He is the overseer and permitter. So if somebody has a strong will to do something sinful, Lord, and if it's in his karma, he's allowed to do certain thing, then Lord sanctions that impartially. He doesn't interfere with our free will. So because of this misuse of free will, then taking liberty of this free will and free course of action which Lord has created us, people have misused their free will and started exploiting especially the nature's resources as well as people and all the created living beings which the Lord has created. So by doing that, of course, the Lord has created everything equally, everybody equally, but at the same time He has set rules, He has set the nature's laws that if you do certain action, you are going to get a certain reaction. So even though a person is allowed to do the sinful action, but then he has to bear the reaction in due course of time. So even though Lord sanctions the sinful activities to happen, He has His own way to cure such activities by giving them the reactions. That's why we see so many natural calamities which they come at one shot and they kill so many people. So people say, why there should be a flood? If God is so merciful, why He should kill so many people? Because they deserve that reactions due to their own sinful reactions. So that's why there is so much suffering in this world due to our own misuse of free will, where we are not following Lord's laws properly and we are exploiting them for our own sense gratification.